Yes, hello, I'm Pierre-Olivier François. I'm the director of Have Fun in Pyongyang that is shown at the Florence Festival. I'm very grateful that you can see this film. Thanks very much to the organizers. Some words about this documentary. It is part of a trilogy about the history of North and South Korea. We did before a long film um, which was more a historical, political one, and during one of the numerous nuclear crises in 2016, Patrick Morus, my co-author, and me had once again the feeling that the portrait that was done in many news about North Korea was not enough to understand what a strange, unknown, complex society and country it is. We had been there several times. We knew that people don't only focus on missiles and atomic weapons, not at all. We knew that North Korea is a more and more complex and sometimes sophisticated society, and we wanted to show this. We wanted to show this with the long experience of Patrick Morus, who has been there for 30 years, and mine. I've been there on and off for 20 years. The first pictures are from 2011, from previous trips, and the film was started in 2016. It took 3 years to complete it, several trips, a lot of research, a lot of writing and editing. But I think it gives an accurate picture of what North Koreans do on weekends. What do they do when they want to entertain themselves? What do you see when you go to a city, when you go to Pyongyang downtown, when you go to a small village, when you go to the beach? Um, what people care about for now, how they are, how they react when you ask questions. Of course, it is North Korea. Of course, we had minders taking care of us, helping us, but also we couldn't see everything we wanted. But numerous North Koreans who have seen the film say this is our country, that's how we are. We don't like everything that you tell about us, but we are happy that you can show this film to the outside world because we recognize themselves. We were not censored. Nobody limited us, neither Arte, the production company, nor anybody else. And I'm very glad now that this film is shown also soon in South Korean cinemas. So if you have friends in South Korea, please tell them to have a look into it if they want to see what we saw in North Korea during a number of trips. Enjoy the film. Thanks very much for watching, and buona serata. Ciao.